Did you know Nepal has the world's only non-rectangular or square flag? Let's explore more fascinating flag facts from around the world. Flag fanatics, it's time for the ultimate flags of the world quiz. It's quiz time. How many can you get right? Test your knowledge and count your correct answers as you go. And hey, don't forget to drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did. Which country's flag has a red circle on a white background? Correct! It's B, Japan. Japan's flag is called the Nishoki or Hinomaru. Which country has a maple leaf on its flag? Yes, it's A, Canada. The red maple leaf is a symbol of Canada. Which country has a dragon on its national flag? Yes, it's B, Bhutan. Bhutan's flag features a white dragon called the Druk. Which flag is green, white, and orange vertically? Correct, it's B, Ireland. Ireland's flag has vertical stripes. India's are horizontal. Which country's flag has a red cross on a white background? Yes, it's A, England. England's flag is the Cross of St. George. Which country's flag features the Union Jack in one corner? Yes, it's C, Australia. Australia's flag features the Union Jack and 6 7-pointed stars. Which country's flag was only one color prior 2011? Yes, it's C, Libya. Libya once had a solid green flag with no symbols. Which country's flag features a cedar tree? Correct! It's A, Lebanon. The Lebanese cedar is a national symbol. Which country has a red flag with 5 yellow stars? Correct! It's B, China. China's flag represents the Communist Party and people. Which country's flag has a sun with a face? Yes, it's A, Argentina. Argentina's Son of May symbolizes freedom. Which country's flag features a large red dot and green background? Yes, it's B, Bangladesh. Bangladesh's red circle stands for the sun and freedom. Which country has a blue and yellow horizontal flag? Correct! It's A, Ukraine. Ukraine's flag represents blue skies over yellow wheat fields. Which flag has a white cross on a red background? Correct! It's B, Switzerland. Switzerland's flag is square with a white cross. Which country has a tricolor flag of blue, white, and red vertically? Yes, it's C, France. France's tricolor flag originated in the French Revolution. Which country's flag has 12 gold stars in a circle on a blue background? Yes, it's A. European Union. The star symbolizes unity, solidarity, and harmony in Europe. Which African country's flag features a Zulu shield? Correct. It's A. Kenya. Kenya's flag has a central shield and spears. Which South American flag has a yellow, blue, and red tricolor? Correct! It's B. Colombia. Colombia's flag is inspired by Simón Bolívar. Which country has the most colors on its flag? Yes, it's A. Belize. Belize's flag has 12 colors and multiple elements. Which country has a flag with a red circle and white moon and star? Yes, it's B. Turkey. Turkey's flag has a red background and white crescent. Which flag includes a blue Star of David? Correct. It's A. Israel. The blue Star of David is the symbol of Judaism. Which country's flag features a sun with 40 rays? Correct, it's B. Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan's flag shows a sun with a tunduk or rooftop. Which country has a blue and white flag with a cross? Yes, it's A. Finland. Finland's flag has a blue Nordic cross. Which flag features 3 horizontal bands of green, white, and red? Correct, it's C. Iran. Iran's flag includes Arabic script in the center band. Which country's flag shows a golden eagle? Yes, it's A. Mexico. The eagle on Mexico's flag is eating a snake on a cactus. Which country's flag is triangular in shape? Yes, it's B. Nepal. Nepal is the only country with 2 stacked crimson-colored triangles flag. Which Asian country has a white flag with a red and blue circle? Correct, it's C. South Korea. South Korea's flag represents balance and harmony. Which flag shows the Southern Cross constellation? Correct, it's B. New Zealand. New Zealand's flag includes stars from the Southern Cross. Which flag has a yellow sun on a blue field? Yes, it's A. Kazakhstan. The flag of Kazakhstan symbolizes peace and freedom. Which European country has a plain red flag with a white cross? Yes, it's B. Denmark. Denmark's Dannebrog is the world's oldest flag in use. Which country flag has a green triangle and red, white, black stripes? Correct, it's C. Sudan. The green triangle represents Islam, prosperity, and agriculture. Which country's flag includes a machete and book? Yes, it's B. Mozambique. Mozambique's flag includes an AK-47 and book. Which flag includes a lion holding a sword? Yes, it's A. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's lion is a symbol of bravery. Which European country has a blue and white striped flag with a cross? Correct. It's A. Greece. Greece's flag has 9 stripes for freedom or death. Which flag shows a bird of paradise? Yes, it's B. Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea's flag features a colorful bird. Which flag has a white cross, red and blue blocks, and a Bible? Yes, it's A. Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic's flag features a Bible and shield. Which country's flag is only black, red, and gold horizontal stripes? Correct! It's C. Germany. Germany's flag represents unity and freedom. In which country it is illegal using the national flag on clothing without permission? Correct! It's A. India. As per the Flag Code of India 2002 and the Prevention of Insults to National Honour Act 1971, which country has a flag with green, yellow and red vertical bands and a black star? Yes, it's C. Cameroon. Cameroon's flag includes Pan-African colours. Which country's flag has blue, black and white horizontal stripes? Yes, it's A. Estonia. Estonia's flag colours symbolize sky, soil and purity. Which flag has a golden sun with a face on a white and blue background? Yes, it's A. Uruguay. Uruguay's flag features the son of May like Argentina. Amazing! You made it to the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. See you in the next adventure.